Buddy, I'm going to put the rear crash bars on my 2020 Indian Challenger, the ones that cover the bag. So, all right, I ran and got me a 6mm socket because that was a pain in the butt. Anyway, so just take this off. And then take this off, and then you can put your crash bar right back in place. Well, not orange Loctite, or Loctite. It is orange, but you put this shit on with red Loctite. Alright, we're going to reinstall this back with use the same hardware that you used when you put back in. There is no new hardware for this. I feel like there should be another bolt, but there's not one in here, and it doesn't look like there was ever one in there. If I find that I need to put one in there later, I will go get one. But for now, it's in getting one. If you guys installed this on your Indian Challenger and you had two bolts, this is a used one, so I may be just missing one. From the prior owner. Wow. Does not seem right at all. gotta hand tighten that bottom one first. Kidding me, right? I just keep that up more. A lot harder than what they seem to need to be, that's for sure. Still not going in, right? What is up with this? All right, well, I'm gonna fight with this last one. I'll be back. I was just worried that I was gonna strip it, but it did not strip. It did not strip. Probably don't do that. Jesus. All right, that side's done. That was kind of a pain, but I still think I need a bolt up here. Maybe I'll look. It did not come with an extra bolt. And the cover just had one bolt in it. There wasn't an original one in there. And there wasn't one in the box like you had for the front ones. So anyway, we'll get to the other side. All right, we're gonna see if we can do better at recording this side. So anyway, you don't have to take anything off, just the covers here. You got one down here and then one down below. And then we got to take this one off. Well, there wasn't a screw in this one either. I don't know. I just find it strange that there are two there are 2 holes in this, 2 holes in that, but not 2 bolts. You think they would have came with the kit if it wasn't in their stock. Alright. Put Loctite back on it. And then do the bottom one. Loctite. I'm falling apart here, guys. Can't even hold on to nothing. All right. That's done. So the saddlebag crash bars are put on. It was really easy other than getting the bolts out. But have a 6mm 3/8 driver. It'll make your life easier. Don't do it with an Allen wrench. Alright, the saddlebag crash bars are installed. There wasn't too many issues with it, but have a 3/8 6mm socket and you'll be alright. That's what I was missing, which made the thing a lot harder. You can't get a ratchet on it, but anyway. That's them. I like them. I do. I like them. For sure do like them. I need to get better lighting in this garage, but anyway. So I have one more thing to do, and that is to put the luggage rack on the back, and that'll be my next video. Thanks for watching. If any of my videos have helped, any of them, subscribe, like, share. Thanks, I appreciate it. Bye. All right, well, I just kind of let it go. So the instructions say that there should be a hardware kit, and it didn't come with it. So since Indian said I had to go back to the dealer and they would have to put in a warranty claim, and I may have to bring those back, I just went to Home Depot and bought those M8 1.25 by 20mm. That's exactly what's in the kit. So and they're black or whatever also. So I'm going to remove those, since you weren't supposed to reuse them at all anyway, and then reinstall them. So let's do that.